Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're working on a 2003 Ford Expedition. I'm going to be showing you how to replace the rear view mirror on the driver's side. It should be the same for the passenger side as well. And in the process, I'm going to be showing you how to remove the door panel as well. So this is like 2-in-1 video. So these are the tools that you're going to be using to remove the panel. You need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver. You need a T20, this one, and we're gonna put this one. You're going to be using a 7mm socket. All right guys, so first of all, you have to remove these two screws right here, 1 and 2, using the 7mm socket. That's 1, 2. They're not too tight, so you can get them off quick. All right, that's that. Now using a flathead screwdriver, you can pry this open. Be careful so that you don't damage the panel. Oops. And then using the T20, this one, you can remove these two screws. 1, 2. Now using a Phillips screwdriver, you take this one. And then you can use a flathead screwdriver to take it out. Okay, now from here, what you can do is, using the flathead screwdriver, you can remove that clip right here. And then from there, you can just pull it up. And then you can see the cables for the power locks, the power windows, everything is there. You can just leave it here. If you want to remove the panel, you can remove those cables right there. In this case, we're going to be removing the rear view mirror on the driver's side. Now what you have to do is you have to remove these 3 screws. 1, 2, and 3. Now using a 11mm socket, you can remove these ones. This 1, 2, 3. Now make sure the screw won't fall. Should be it. All right guys, after removing those 3 screws, you can bend this a little bit like this and pull up and then down, and there's this little plastic that holds it in place right here, and then you can remove it. And then if you want to take it out, you can unplug the cable. Don't want to use you can unplug this cable and it comes out. It's a little bit tricky. It's when I tried to take it out, it was hard. You gotta press here and pull really hard, and eventually it'll come out. Let me show you. Try to wiggle it out, and eventually it's going to come out. And then you can just take it out. If you're going to replace the rear view mirror or the door panel, I'm going to be putting the link below for the Amazon link, so you guys can buy it from there. It's usually really cheap to buy things from Amazon, and in the process you can help me a little bit by buying it through Amazon. I get a small commission from there. So if you want to put everything back together, you can follow the same instructions backwards. So this is just a quick video showing you how to remove the door panel and the rear view mirror for a 03 Ford Expedition. If you want to do it on the passenger side, you should follow the same steps. It should be the same. So alright guys, thanks for watching. As always, please like, comment and subscribe, and you can watch my other videos. So thanks, peace.